In this video, I'm going to teach you the DeepSeek-OCR tutorial so you can extract any text with AI. So first, you just need to head over to this particular part or this particular URL. You can find it on the GitHub platform by going to github.com/deepseek-ai/deepseek-OCR. So I will also paste the link below. You can see right here this. So for this case, you can just see the code as well as a lot of options. So we just need to look for the releases published for this particular option. You can also go over to the README in order to see how it looks like. So it's supported in the upstream VLLM as well, and you can click onto this install in order to see how it was installed. You just need to clone this repository and then navigate to the DeepSeek OCR folder by going over and then copying this. Just add in here this text code and download the VLM package using this case. So for that, you can choose the VLM inference by choosing right here the image, PDF, batch evaluation, and the likes. Just follow right here the instructions given onto the GitHub platform. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.